Simple makeup look for college or office. Begin by applying your favorite serum. Here I am using Minimalist Alpha Arbutin Face Serum. After that, moisturize your face. Bioderma Atoderm cream is what I'm using. Don't forget to put on sunscreen before going out. I am wearing Minimalist Sunscreen with SPF 50. Next, apply a foundation that matches your skin tone or a BB cream. You can also apply primer before foundation. Then you must shape your eyebrows. I am using Colorbar Brow Me Fiber Mascara. Apply some blush in the following step. I am using Contour de Force Mini Blush from Sugar Cosmetics. In the next step, apply kajal. Here I am using Kohl Kiss Intense Black Kajal from Bellora Paris. Then go for mascara instead of eyeliner. Shape your lips with the help of a lip liner. Go for light or neutral shades instead of dark-colored lipsticks. I am applying Are You Ready Liquid Matte Lipstick Buff Nude Shade from Flicka Cosmetics. You can also add some nude shade of eyeshadow. Here I am using Sephora Mini Pocket Sun Eyeshadow Palette Golden Hour. Finish it off by applying loose powder or setting powder to keep your makeup in place all day. So, here is my final look. Let me know in the comments section how it is.